Hi guys, I'm Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be putting all this hair into one sleek bun. If you have extremely thick hair, you should probably start on dry hair. This style does include a lot of products, so it's not a style you want to start on freshly cleaned, washed hair. For me, I'm gonna need a bottle of water. This is hot water. So when it sprays out, it'll be warm. Eco Styler gel. I'm trying to find an alternate. I have this detangling brush, a small hard bristle brush, this hard brush, and then I have my edge tamer brush. I also have this thick hair tie because I'll be needing this throughout the process. And then I have a couple of hair ties. I already have my hair parted. You can do a side part, you can do a middle part, you can do no part, whatever you want to do. And you'll have to work through your hair in sections. So I'm going to start at the back of my hair first. In order to get thick hair into a sleek bun, you do have to work in multiple small sections. I'm taking my thick hair tie to get this out of my face. To start, I'm only going to spray my roots. Just rubbing some of that water in because I have low porosity hair. If I don't rub that water in, it's just going to sit at the top of my head. That's going to be the first section of hair that you smooth down. So once you have a little bit of water on there, then take your Eco Styler and start applying gel to the roots of your hair. I'm gonna take my brush and start detangling out the roots of my hair. With this style, you're gonna want to make sure that your hair is like thoroughly detangled all the way through. I'm gonna spritz the ends just lightly to get them a little damp so I can move the gel throughout the rest of my hair and also detangle. Spray those ends a little bit. You're not soaking your hair, you're barely getting it damp, you're just wetting it a little bit so it'll be easier to detangle your hair. Now I'm just taking my hard bristle brush and smoothing down this first section. I'm also going ahead and securing this first section, but I'm not doing it too tightly because I will be repeating the same exact steps as I move up my hair. So again, I'm spritzing my roots with a bit of water, rubbing that water into my hair. Then I'm applying a bit of Eco Styler gel to my roots, detangling my roots with my brush before spritzing my ends with a bit of water and detangling the rest of my hair. Smoothing that section down with a hard bristle brush and securing it with a hair tie. I also chose not to cut out many filming clips because this hairstyle only took me about 20 minutes to do. I wanted to showcase that. It looks like a lot and it seems like a lot of steps, but it's really just repetition. Sometimes us naturals with kinkier hair textures can be a little too hard on ourselves, even in the ways that we discussed our hair. No, your hair is not unmanageable. Your hair is not impossible to care for, and yes, you can do whatever hairstyle you want. I get so many comments online where people will say things like, this is way too much work, she's doing way too much, or I know that took hours, when this style actually took 30 minutes for me to do. Your hair does not have to be too much. Truly learning your hair shortens your style times tremendously. You really just have to learn to accept your beautiful hair for what it is and work with what you got. I forgot one last thing, y'all. As you get to the top and you want it to look real smooth, you take a fine tooth comb and just make sure that you're really going through and smoothing everything down. this little section right here is what I'm gonna use to swoop my hair with.
I did also leave out some curly swirls near my ears to add a little pizzazz to my bun. Only part of my hair that I have left to do now is that very top section, so I'm just finishing brushing and combing everything back, and then I'm also going to take that ponytail holder out from that section so I can go ahead and add in this hair.
So now we have the last section of hair.
With thick hair, I've learned that the thinner the section, the better when it comes to swooping your bun in the front. You do not need a lot of hair to get that effect. The majority of your hair will be pushed back. And also when I swoop my hair in the front, I don't swoop it too far down on my forehead because I break out really badly. And a fine-tooth comb is truly a necessity because it makes sure that the hair that you swooped stays in place. Now I have slicked down all of my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it all into a ponytail before doing my bun. And when I want my curls on the sides to be elongated, I start on hair that's not super duper wet, because when I add the gel to hair that's damp or dry, it allows my curls to be elongated and not shrink up. And lastly, I'm just smoothing my edges down. You don't have to do this, it's just something that I like to do. I think it adds to the style. This is how my hair looks before putting it up in a bun. So for my bun, I'm just taking a ponytail holder and flipping my hair up and just shaping it how I want it to be. The cool thing about this is that you can really play around with the shape and get it to be however you want. So I just take my ponytail holder and wrap it around a few times. Then I fix whatever is out of place, and I just add a bobby pin to the very top so that my bun stays in place. Here I'm just tying my hair down with 2 silk scarves. That way my hair can set a bit before I show you guys the final results.
I let my hair tie sit on my head for a little bit, so we're gonna take it down now.
So these are my final results. I'm also going to show you guys some clips of my hair outside because this bathroom is not doing me any justice. And I'm also going to go ahead and end the video here. So if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already subscribed, I'm going to go ahead and leave this button right up here for you, and I will see you all next Friday. Bye-bye.